If you're looking for the best flugelhorn, stop scrolling for a second. Because some flugelhorns sound warm and smooth like butter, and others? Thin, stuffy, and almost impossible to play comfortably. So today, we're reviewing the top 5 best flugelhorns for different budgets and skill levels, so you don't waste your money on the wrong instrument. One is perfect for beginners, one sounds almost professional at half the price, and one might be the best value overall. So before you buy your next flugelhorn, watch this. The flugelhorn is one of the smoothest and warmest sounding brass instruments out there. It's popular in jazz, brass bands, solo performances, and even studio recordings because of its mellow tone. But choosing the right one can be confusing fast. Some are built for beginners, some are designed for advanced players, and some look amazing online, but don't play well at all. So let's break down the top 5. Starting with number 5, the Mendini by Cecilio Flugelhorn. This is one of the most affordable flugelhorns on Amazon, and honestly, for beginners, it's not bad. It comes with a case, mouthpiece, gloves, and cleaning kit, which makes it attractive if you're just starting out. The tone is decent for the price, and it's easy enough to play for practice or school band use. But here's the catch. The valves aren't the smoothest, and the build quality isn't at the level of more expensive models. So if you're serious about long-term playing, you'll probably outgrow it. Still, for a budget beginner option, solid choice. Now number 4, the Jean Paul USA FH430. This one is a noticeable step up in quality. The tone is warmer, the valves feel smoother, and overall it feels much more reliable. This flugelhorn is popular because it hits that sweet spot between affordability and performance. It's especially good for intermediate players who want better sound without spending thousands. And compared to cheaper models, intonation is much more consistent. That matters more than beginners realize. Because if the instrument fights you, playing becomes frustrating fast. Now here's where things get interesting. Number 3, the Yamaha YFH2310. Yamaha is known for making reliable brass instruments, and this flugelhorn is no exception. The first thing you notice is consistency. The valves feel smooth, the response is easy, and the tone is balanced across the range. This is one of the safest choices you can make, especially for students moving into more serious playing. And here's something important. A good flugelhorn isn't just about sound. Comfort matters too. And Yamaha instruments usually feel very comfortable and easy to control. That's a huge advantage during long practice sessions. Now number 2, the ACB Doubler's flugelhorn. This one has become really popular among jazz players and trumpet doublers. Why? Because it gives you a rich, warm sound without the crazy professional level price tag. It responds quickly, feels lightweight, and blends beautifully in jazz settings. And honestly, this is where you start hearing that real flugelhorn sound people love. Smooth, dark, mellow. It just sounds musical. If you're performing regularly or recording, this one is a strong contender. And finally, number 1, the Yamaha YFH631G. This is the premium pick on the list. The tone is incredible. Warm, rich, centered, and smooth across the entire instrument. The projection is excellent without sounding harsh, and the valve action feels extremely refined. This is the kind of flugelhorn serious players hold on to for years. Now yes, it's expensive, but there's a reason professionals trust Yamaha so much. Consistency, durability, and sound quality. And when you hear it played well, you immediately understand the difference. So, which flugelhorn should you buy? If you're a beginner on a tight budget, go with the Mendini. If you want the best balance between price and performance, the Jean Paul is hard to beat. If you want reliable quality and comfort, Yamaha's student model is a safe option. And if you want that smooth, professional jazz sound, the ACB Doubler or Yamaha 631G are the top choices. At the end of the day, the best flugelhorn depends on your level, budget, and playing style. Because the right instrument doesn't just sound better, it makes you want to play more. If you want, Check the links below for the top-rated flugelhorns featured in this video so you can compare prices and reviews yourself. And if you're trying to improve your tone or range, make sure you watch the next video, because one simple mistake could be holding your playing back without you even realizing it.